Hi, my name is Rusty and I had knee replacement at Campbell Clinic on October 12th, 2020. I say the biggest benefit I've had is being able to walk without pain. Waking up each day with no pain, being able to do what I need to do without having constant knee pain has been a joy. I've been dealing with knee pain for a number of years. I actually had an appointment with Dr. Toy 1 year before I had my surgery, dealing with some knee pain. The thing that impressed me the most about him on that first visit was I'm not here to talk you into surgery. We're here to deal with your knee pain. When it's time for surgery, you'll know it and you'll come back. So that was a big selling point for me. So we tried to deal with the knee pain in November of 2019. It didn't work, and I came back to see him in August of this year to discuss knee surgery and replacement and what's involved with that. And I play tennis a lot. I ride road bikes. Doing those things were extremely painful before the surgery. I can now ride a stationary bike with no pain, which is nice. So I'm looking forward to getting back out on the road bike when the weather gets better. I have been cleared to start hitting volleys in tennis, just not chasing after balls yet because I've just not been cleared to run. I did play pickleball the day after Christmas. Again, not running, just hitting balls that came right to me. So that was something I probably could not have done just prior to the surgery. I've been a patient at Campbell Clinic for a number of years for various things. I was able to talk to friends who had been here, talk to the CEO here about the condition I had and recommendations and so forth. And through that research, I decided on Dr. Toy because he has done so many of these and came so highly recommended. It was an amazing experience. It's hard to believe when you think of what's involved with knee replacement surgery. I had to arrive at the surgery center at 5:30 on the Monday morning of October 12th. My case started at 8:45 a.m. It finished at 10:45 a.m. I woke up at 11:15 and was leaving to go home at 1:15, which is just, it blows your mind that it can happen that quickly when people used to have to stay in the hospital for days following knee replacement surgery. The thing that was most amazing to me was immediately waking up from surgery, there was no pain. The arthritis pain I've been dealing with for years was gone, and Dr. Toy said, you'll never experience that kind of pain again. So that was kind of an amazing revelation for me. People undergoing knee replacement surgery, the thing, that Dr. Toy or any surgeon can only do so much. A lot of it depends on the individual and how committed that person is going to be to doing the exercises that you're given to do. I'm the kind of person, if they told me to do 15, I did 25. And so I did exercise several times a day, every day, went to therapy 3 days a week. The physical therapy staff is first class. They are amazing. Their goal is to see you succeed, and they want to see you get better. And everybody is extremely friendly, no matter what they're doing. If they're asked to help out to do this or do that, they do. So my experience there was phenomenal. My therapist every day she asked, how's it going? What have you had, any changes since last time? And the thing that impressed me the most is she had a specific plan for every day. There wasn't a minute wasted in my hour therapy session every time. And so we maximized that, and then I was able to take that and do that at home, and then that just aided my recovery. If anybody's thinking about having knee replacement surgery, I would highly recommend Campbell Clinic and Dr. Toy specifically. They want you to be ready. If you can still perform your daily activities without surgery, that's what they want you to do. But when you're ready for surgery, you'll know it, and then they're there to help you do the best that you can with surgery because they want a good outcome for you and to have a successful surgery.